Hello, sixth graders. I'm coming to you from my dining room today, so a different space. Looks like I'm a little washed out, but from the sun, from the, it's a nice day. It's Sunday morning, but it should be Tuesday for you. So, in any case, I hope you guys are having a good week so far. I hope you started your bell ringer notebook yesterday and you're rolling along with it today. No problems, right? Working on factoring. Today's problem is once again about expressions and about like matching up this idea of what words mean and how you would write those into an expression, right? So as we get into all these rules of algebra and this notion of that we're going to start using kind of letters and numbers and variables to represent ideas, right? So I want on this problem, inquisitive expressions. I don't think it's there's a couple tricky parts to it, but the idea is that it's matching. You're matching up the descriptions one, two, three, four, five, and six to the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. And some of them are pretty clear, and some of them will be a little tricky where you have to think about them. But what I want you to kind of pay attention to on this problem is that when we talk about when you get one, like know that you can kind of say, well, I know that one for sure. But the first one I want to talk about is interesting. This one, three times itself four times. That's a tricky one. Like I think about that. Three times itself four times. So what does that mean, right? So when I look at that, when I say, okay, I know that there's a three involved for sure, and a lot of these have a three involved, but then it says times itself. So think about when you times a number by itself, what happens. So if I said three times itself, I think I'm talking about saying three times three, right? But they're asking me to do it four different times. So this is a strange one. Think hard. What does that mean? What does that mean? Okay. Next one, number two, three times x minus four. That one's a little more straightforward, a little more like what we've been doing, right? So what I want you to do is on each one of these, look for the one that it matches to, right? Three times x minus four. I think right away you guys know which one that one is, right? So find the match. And then as you go down on this list, I'm going to click over to here. It starts to ask you to fill a couple out. So this is called inquisitive expressions. And at the bottom of it, down here, you see there's a couple blank ones. These do not go together. This blank one goes with one of these that doesn't have a match, right? And this blank one, F, goes with one of these that doesn't have a match. So you're going to have to figure out which one that is. So which one's missing. And then if you go down to page 2, there's a couple other questions. It's really simple, but they are asking you how you match the correct number to the letter card to the number. You're doing that. And then write in a description for 6 and for F. You guys, I just told you that. And the last thing, explain how you knew how to match box 5. So we go up to 5, negative 4x plus 3. Check that one out. It's kind of an interesting one. And once again, a couple of these will push you. So how did you figure this one out? Okay, good luck on this. I hope you're having a good day. And I'll see you all tomorrow on Wednesday, which I'm very excited about. Okay, bye, everybody.